Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I've just got this through. I ordered it off AliExpress and it is absolutely superb as a movement holder. Now, most of us use something like this. This is a Bergeron 4040. They're okay, they're great, but every so often you just can't really grip the movement the way you wish, and you might go to undo a screw and the whole thing tips off, possibly causing problems. But you can do better, and you can get the circular ones which hold the movements in fully, and that is what this is here. And this is a lovely little holder I've found so far. Does come with a rubbery base, so it does stick nicely, it doesn't go anywhere, but you can also spin the movement round, so you can actually move it round as you wish. Now that isn't always desirable, so you can just simply lock that and then it will not spin. And it also comes with different attachments, so if I undo like that, at the moment that is solid, it will not pull out, it's good. So if I now release this, that now comes out, and this is all it is, these different rings. So you can see here 2824, and we have a cutout, so when you want to spin it round you can turn it round, or we have the standard side there, but it comes with other attachments as well. What we got here, we've got the 7750. I haven't used it on any of the other ones, to be fair, yet. So 7750, we've got the 8500 Amiga. There we have a 3135, so that'll be Rolex. And what we got here looks like a 310. What movement's that? Someone enlighten me, please. I can't remember off the top of my head. Yeah, 3135. Then we have two smaller ones here as well. A 2671 and a 2000. So there is there is quite a few different options to pick from there. But all it does, if I show you here, so it's basically just place it in, and that just fits in there, and then that crimps down it and just basically compresses it. But that way, when you're actually holding it, you get a far better grip on the watch, far safer. So you get this, let's face it, you get overall 7 different holders. And I think, I can't remember exactly, I think it was £70 I think I paid for it. There might there could have been some import tax on not import tax, the VAT when it adds on to it, but I think it's really good. If you're going to be working on movements quite a lot, specifically one of these movements, then this little device is really, really good. It just feels very solid. It's at a nice height, but so far I really like it. I've only just got it, so I haven't really had to play, but it does feel like it holds the movement incredibly well. So anyway, there you go. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can see where you can buy this from. I'm not getting any money for this in any way. It's just I got it and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Again, all the best, guys. Take care. Bye.